Get ready to revolutionize your outbound calls with Retell AI, turning cold calls into conversations, step by step. First, log into your Retell AI account and navigate to the campaign section, which is usually on the left side menu. This is where we'll build our outbound call strategy. Next, click Create New Campaign and start configuring your call parameters. Define the call duration and when the calls should be scheduled, setting the stage for success. Now, import your contact list. Ensure your list is in a compatible format like CSV. Then upload it and verify the import details for a smooth run. Let's create your calling script. Retell AI lets you personalize each call, so you can input custom prompts to capture key details. Finally, launch your created campaign and let Retell AI get to work. Follow the live call transcription and activity tracking. Review your analytics dashboard for key performance metrics and refine where need be. And that's it.